Hey everyone, my name is Carlos, and I'm a chef living in Sao Paulo. Today, I want to talk about art. But not just art in the traditional sense, because for me, art isn't only something you find in galleries. It's something you can taste, smell, and create with your hands. As a chef, I see cooking as an art form. It's not just about following a recipe, it's about creativity, colors, and expression. When I plate a dish, I think about how the ingredients look together, how the textures contrast, and how the final presentation tells a story. Just like a painter chooses the right mix of colors, I choose the right mix of flavors. And when everything comes together, a plate of food can be as beautiful as a painting. But my love for art doesn't stop in the kitchen. I've always been drawn to bold, colorful paintings, the kind that feel alive, that grab your attention and make you feel something. I especially love Brazilian artists who use bright colors and strong brushstrokes to capture the energy of our culture. There's something about the way colors interact that reminds me of cooking, how different ingredients come together to create something greater than the sum of its parts. Living in Sao Paulo, I'm surrounded by creativity. The city is full of street art, huge murals, graffiti, and vibrant designs on walls and buildings. Every time I walk through the streets, I see something new, art that reflects the city's energy, its struggles, its stories. In a way, it's like an open-air gallery, constantly changing and evolving. Some of my favorite artists started as street painters, and now their work is displayed in museums. It's inspiring to see how art can transform a space, just like how food can bring people together. One thing I love doing is combining my two passions, art and cooking. That's why I share my culinary creations on Instagram. It's not just about showing what I cook, it's about capturing the beauty of food. The colors of fresh ingredients, the details in a perfectly plated dish, the way light hits a bowl of steaming feijoada, it's all part of the experience. Sometimes, I even take inspiration from paintings when I design a dish. If I see a piece of art that uses a lot of red and yellow, I start thinking about how I can use those colors in food. Maybe with bright peppers, golden mangoes, or deep red tomatoes. Of course, not every dish turns out to be a masterpiece. Just like painting or sculpture, cooking takes practice. Sometimes, I try a new technique, and it doesn't work the way I imagined. But that's part of the process. Every mistake teaches me something new. And in the end, art, whether it's on a plate or on a canvas, is about passion, creativity, and sharing something with others. So, what kind of art inspires you? Do you see art in unexpected places, like in food, music, or everyday life? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and remember, art isn't just something you see. It's something you can experience in every part of life. See you soon.